Today we are going to start our next chapter, which is chapter number 9, Soil. First of all, what is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth is known as soil. As we all know, soil is one of the most important natural resources. So the outermost layer of earth, where our crops grow, where we all live, is known as soil. It also provides anchorage to the plants and supplies water and nutrients. So we can call that directly or indirectly, we all depend on soil. Like for directly, we take soil to make our buildings, to make our homes, as well as we use soil for growing our crops. Our animals live in soil. So directly or indirectly, we all depend on soil. Along with it, soil is essential for agriculture. It provides food, clothing, and shelter for all. So, soil is an inseparable part of our life. That means it's not that soil is important only for agriculture, only for animals, but this is inseparable part. That means without soil we even can't survive. And the earthy fragrance, which you all must be observing these days, after first rain, is always refreshing. So, soil, which is the outermost layer of the earth, is a very important part of our life. So, this layer, that means soil, this consists of sand, mud, and rock particles. Along with it, a black amorphous substance is also present on the uppermost layer of soil or the rotting dead matter in the soil, which is called as humus. And this humus consists of dead and decayed plants and animal remains. That means आपके जो plants dead हो जाते हैं, their leaves, their other parts, along with the animals which live in soil or other animals, their dead bodies on decaying. That means after decomposition with the help of saprotrophs, the animals which live on dead and decaying matter, if you remember, we have done in chapter 1. So the organisms, those saprotroph, what they do, they change these dead remains of plants and animals into humus, the rotting dead matter. And do you know this rotting dead matter is very essential for the plants to grow, for the crops to grow. So soil, which is having mud, sand and rock particles along with the humus, is a very crucial part of our life, is very important for the growth of plants. Along with that, soil is very important for trees, for plants to hold the water, to hold the soil as well. Because as we all know, soil which is important for the growth of trees is also responsible for the infiltration of water. That means soil की वजह से ही आपका जो water, rain water, it goes into the ground. That means underground water कहलाता है जो आपकी as a water table आपके पानी पीने के लिए and for other purposes use किया जाता है. So soil not for the growth of plants, not for just for the shelter and clothing. It is also very important for maintaining ecosystem. It is also important for maintaining water cycle. And you must be knowing that these days people are cutting down trees at a very large scale. So because of that, what's going on? That because of less trees, the roots of the trees won't be able to hold soil, and which leads to soil erosion. जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, आपकी soil की जो uppermost fertile layer है, that is keep on degrading, वो धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है. Along with the use of plastic bags, polythene bags, all of these things are degrading the uppermost layer, are degrading the fertile layer of the soil, because of which floods, droughts have become a common examples. Okay, so it's not just that the mud, sand is, all things are considered as soil, but the humus, the rotting dead matter is also considered the very crucial part of soil. But because of certain human activities, these layers are degrading day by day. Okay, so we should take care for the maintenance of quality of soil as well its fertility. Thank you.